Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. What is good, guys? Welcome back. Today is Wednesday. That means it's Wealth and Wisdom Wednesday. But yeah, guys, so today I've been watching cryptos, and Ethereum went below $3,000. So what we're doing now is we're holding a portfolio of stocks. We started with Palantir and Apple, but I also bought in for this channel's portfolio to include Ethereum. So this morning I bought Ethereum, and that's the next move right now. Every week, of course, we'll check in on progress. Right now, I think we're just breaking even on Apple and Palantir. Palantir did rise up a good amount after we bought the stock last week. But these are long-term plays, so every week I'm going to be checking on the stocks. I might add stocks. I might also add crypto. But you know, on a monthly schedule, if that's something you can do at home, I think you should try and invest. And you know, you don't have to take my advice at all. You know, and I'm not a financial manager, so just know that. But what I'm trying to do is give, you know, real facts, real perspective, and play it into a way that people can understand it from possibly experiences I've had in my career where AI might come into play, for example, or where I can understand the financials behind the companies. And now more than ever, you know, they say that the fundamental qualities of the financial health of the company is not as much of a factor, and it's true, but it's good to know like what makes a good company financially sound versus what makes you know, a high growth startup the right time to invest in. Those are two completely different fundamentals. That was a close one. But yeah, guys, once we get back to the city, you know I love ripping it in the car, getting some footage, so that's what we're doing. I went to a car show over the weekend. A lot of Ferraris. Actually, my dream Ferrari was there. So, hope you guys enjoyed the footage today. Pretty windy today, guys, and I think the pollen count is pretty high because I've been suffering. I just came from the gym and I drank this Red Bull sugar free. It was nothing like my pre-workout. Honestly, I forgot how bad Red Bulls were. Shouldn't even gotten that, to be honest. It is a beautiful day though. It's getting hot, guys. Like I can feel the summer. Today's May 1st, it's 88 degrees. It feels like 95. It's crazy. Yeah, guys, I've been listening to a lot of Kendrick Lamar recently, especially after he dropped that track. And you know what else dropped, and what we haven't talked about much on the channel, but I think there's definitely an opportunity to talk about is gaming. So Starfield just dropped a 60 FPS patch on Series X, so I'm gonna check it out again. That game is huge, and it just wasn't exciting enough for me to keep playing after, I think, like 25 hours, I'd say. But there's so much to that game. It sounds so good. Traffic today to enjoy the skies, but we'll hit it next time. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. What's up, guys? We are at Big Green Eggs headquarters in Atlanta. Today is Cooks and Cars at the Big Green Egg headquarters by Metro Motor Car Club. There's a lot of Ferraris out here, and as much as I loved my GT3, I'm really a Ferrari guy at heart, so this is going to be a treat. Gonna get some awesome footage for you guys today. All right, let's go. We are actually close to, I think, Studio Atlanta, right by the highway. Got an RX-7 next to us. It's a beautiful day too. It's not too hot. Hey, how are you? I came in behind this Mustang. So of course I gotta check out the Ferraris. So my friend David had one of these. He sold it for a Spider, a Porsche Spider. This is too clean. This is too clean. For me, this is like one of the pinnacle Ferraris because it's naturally aspirated, next to one of the classic pinnacle Ferraris in terms of styling. This is something, if I was hanging out with Currency in New Orleans, I'd get one of these for sure. And then for the Sunday drive with the wife, and then for the track day, the 458. Oh my gosh, what do we have here? My dream car is also here. It's on the left hand side. Oh my god, these wheels look absolutely crazy, and those seats, oh my gosh. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. He's got a custom screen. That looks amazing. Over here, gonna go down as one of the true classics. 599. You don't see these at all. These are so special. These wheels look amazing. Very underrated Ferrari. The Roma, my dad was looking at these, so I'll show him this footage. This is a perfect Grand Touring car. Not sure if I would track the Roma, but it'd probably be fine. But here it is. This is my dream car, guys. I spend so many nights on the 812 configurator. This thing's unreal. Looks like he might have hit a bird or something. Got the Alfa Romeo and some classics. Man, I wish my boy Nash was out here. Nash runs Auto House Social. He does a lot of cool events. He's actually hosting a show with BBS Wheels in Brazelton next week. So shout out Nash, shout out Auto House Social. It's a really cool group of cars, guys. I'm gonna get some more POV footage later. Let's go. All right, guys, check it out. This is one of my favorite cars here. The license plate says Riz 67. It's got a subwoofer setup. I think these red things in the front are horns, if I'm not mistaken. But it's super clean. And then this thing, I thought it was a Beetle, but the engine's in the front. That's actually a citron. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing that correctly.